Hi everyone, I'm back with a video, and today the die set is Special Day Frame. It's from the Special Moments collection from Spellbinders, and the designer is Marisa Job. There's 6 pieces in the die set. The largest frame is beautifully filigreed with all these curls, and you can just see here I've cut from gold foil card. With the circular dies, you have the option of cutting out the aperture or leaving it full solid. You also have this element, again a matching curled frame here, which is beautiful. Again, also the circle, whether you pop it inside to create that aperture or create a solid circle in the middle. Also included is the 2 little sentiments here which spell out Special Day. I'm starting my card. It's a 6x6 card mat, and I've also used my 6x6 matting dies with a further piece of ivory card. I'm going to go in with my EZ runner here, which is from Scrapbook Adhesives. I'm just going to mat that onto the front of my card like so. My patterned paper is Anna Griffin. Now, we've got some of this finally on the website, so please take a look. It's taken a while for us to obtain some, and we will be getting more. Beautiful designs. They come pre-cut in a 6x6, so I have in fact used my matting dies and made it slightly smaller, and you can see I've used the circular die from the die set that I'm featuring today to cut that aperture. Popping my card base away for a moment, and you'll see my Special Day frame I've cut, and I just want to affix that in place over that circular aperture. I have that put onto the patterned paper background. Now onto the reverse, I'm going to put some crafty foam tape. That's affixed now to my card front. Now I've also got the piece that I want to go into the middle. Now this section of the patterned paper that I'd cut out, I used the smallest circular die from the set, and that is going to go inside. So it follows the pattern down from those lines just there. So we have the pattern piece in the middle now, but I think it does need some little flowers, some extra embellishments. Got my little flowers die cut, and I've just coloured them with Distress ink. I've used these on lots of my videos, so please have a look back if you're not familiar with them. I like to just shape the flowers. You can do this with your fingers, or if you've got a foam pad and some tools, some ball tools, then go ahead and just adding those. I want a little cluster here, so just add as few or as many as you like. I do think with little flowers it's nice to have quite a lot in that cluster. I've got all my little flowers in place, and I'm just going to use my all-in-one so I can put little pearls to the middle. So this is the finished card. As a reminder, it's called Special Day Frame, and it's from the Special Moments collection from Spellbinders, designed by Marisa Job. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like the video, then if you could also subscribe to the channel, and please leave a comment, because if you do, you're possibly going to win the card. We pick out a winner every week. And share with your friends. It's so wonderful to have this support, and it means that we will continue to keep producing the videos. Thanks then. Bye now.